Hi everyone, for today's video I will going to show you how to install an illuminated door seal for 2022 Trailblazer LT model. First, I want to show you what particular door seal are we going to install. It's illuminated door seal with a Chevrolet script, designed specially for 2022 Chevrolet Trailblazer LT. Today I received my illuminated door seal from the nearest Chevrolet dealership. Now we will going to open it and we will going to check what is inside the box. Okay, we have here the instruction manual, the door seal, batteries, and alcohol pad. Okay, before we install our door seal in our car, we have to put the new batteries which is included in the package. First, we have to remove the two cover on both sides, which I already did on this one. Then insert the new batteries with the positive side facing outside like this. Then return the cover. Then just do the same thing on this side and on the other door seal. Once you finish it, our door seal is ready to be installed in our car. Okay guys, today we will going to install our door seal. It's too cold right now, it's negative 23 degrees Celsius, and we will do it fast just to show you how it was done. Okay, I already made my guide where I will going to put the door seal. This is 1.5 inches, same as here, and this one is 22 inches from the latch. All the measurement is based on the instruction manual. Okay, now that we have our guide here, next thing to do is we will just remove the double adhesive tape on the both side of the door seal, just like this. And place our door seal inside the pattern. Okay, now that we already fixed the door seal, all we have to do is wait and see how it will look when it gets dark. Okay, I think it's dark enough to check our door seal. how it looks in the dark. I hope you like this video and thank you.